In this video, we'll explain the Caravan Mode anti-tow features on the RVsecure PlatinumX Genesis, including anti-tow, brake test, and brake tamper. These features vary depending on your operating region. Brake-related functions apply to caravan and trailer installations in Asia-Pacific and North America. In Europe, where mechanical braking systems are common, the brake functions do not apply. However, towing detection will still activate the alarm. To access these settings, make sure the alarm is disarmed, then press D 3 times within 10 seconds to enter the main menu. Press A for settings, then continue pressing A to scroll through the available options. Anti-tow is designed to detect movement of the caravan after the alarm has been armed. It uses Zone 16, the motion zone, to detect towing or movement of the vehicle. After arming, anti-tow becomes active after 20 seconds. If Zone 16 is turned off, anti-tow will not operate. When movement is detected, the system will activate the alarm. In Asia-Pacific and North America, the brakes can lock for 10 seconds after movement is detected. Each time the movement sensor is activated again, the brakes can lock for another 10 seconds. This is independent of the siren timing, and multiple activations can occur. The Genesis also includes a Brake Safety Interlock. If the system is armed while the vehicle is moving, it checks for motion for around 20 seconds. If movement is detected, the alarm automatically disarms and gives 3 siren beeps. Motion sensitivity can be adjusted in the advanced menu. The options are low, medium and high, and the factory default is low. If you are changing sensitivity, always test the system after adjustment. Zone 22 is brake tamper. This feature is for caravan and trailer installations in Asia-Pacific and North America. It detects an attempt to disconnect the electric brakes and can activate between 15 and 25 seconds after brake disconnection. The brake test function provides a 10-second test of the brakes and stoplights. This is used to confirm the brake output and stop light operation during setup or servicing. To recap, anti-tow uses Zone 16 motion. Brake test provides a 10-second brake and stop light test in supported regions, and brake tamper uses Zone 22 to detect electric brake disconnection.